Braised short ribs recipe. Introduction.
안녕하세요. 오늘은 한국의 전통 음식 중 하나인 갈비찜을 만들어 볼 거예요. 갈비찜은 부드러운 소갈비와 고소한 갈비 양념장이 특징인 요리예요. 그럼 시작해 볼까요?
Ingredients.
1kg 소갈비 비프 쇼트 리브즈, 4개 감자 퍼테이토즈, 2개 당근 캐러츠, 1개 양파 어니언, 4개 대파 그린 어니언즈, 4개 마늘 갈릭 클로브즈, 1개 다시마 드라이드 켈프, 물 5컵 워터, 간장 2분의 1컵 소이소스, 설탕 4분의 1컵 설탕 슈거, 3숟가락 미림 라이스 서럽, 2숟가락 참기름 세서미 오일, 1티스푼 후추 블랙페퍼.
Instructions. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. First, let's prepare the ingredients. Rinse the beef short ribs under cold water and drain them. Cut the potatoes and carrots into bite-sized pieces. Slice the onion and green onions. Mince the garlic cloves. Step to make the seasoning sauce. Now, let's make the seasoning sauce. In a bowl, combine soy sauce, sugar, rice syrup, sesame oil, minced garlic, and black pepper. Mix them well until the sugar dissolves. Step 3. Pre-cook the beef short ribs. Next, let's pre-cook the beef short ribs. In a large pot, add the beef short ribs and enough water to cover them. Add the dried kelp for extra flavor. Bring it to a boil over high heat. Then reduce the heat to low and simmer for about 30 minutes. Skim off any impurities that rise to the surface. Step 4. Add vegetables and seasoning sauce. After 30 minutes, add the potatoes, carrots, onion, and green onions to the pot. Pour in the prepared seasoning sauce. Stir everything together gently. Step 5. Simmer the galbejjim. Now, cover the pot with a lid and simmer the galbejjim over low heat for about 1 hour, or until the beef is tender and the flavors have melded together. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Step 6. Serve the galbejjim. Once the galbejjim is ready, remove the dried kelp and garnish with some chopped green onions. Serve the galbejjim hot with steamed rice and kimchi. Enjoy. Conclusion.
이제 한국의 맛있는 갈비찜이 완성되었어요. 부드러운 소갈비와 풍부한 양념장의 조화로운 맛을 즐겨보세요. 매콤하고 고소한 이 요리는 한국 음식을 사랑하는 미국 사람들에게 잘 어울릴 거예요. 감사합니다.